is Zoom down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Zoom right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see here, I already have a screenshot with the error. So it says bad gateway error code 502. You can visit cloudflare.com for more information. So if you try to go to Twitter, you will see some comments from people who also have problems with Zoom right now, as you can see here. So you don't have to worry about it because you are not the only one who have problems with Zoom. They will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with it, you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about it. If it's still down or if it's up, what certain problems you have. You can also subscribe to the channel to be notified once we post another update, so make sure to turn that notification bell. Also, if this video was useful, you can like it. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.